Greetings to all. I would like to dedicate this short video in honor of my late sister, Mel Alina, who died exactly 2 years today. Brothers and sisters, we want you to know about those Christians who have died so you will not be sad as others who have no hope. We believe that Jesus died and that He rose again. So because of Him, God will raise Mel. Now we're happy because God will comfort them. Praise be to God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. God is the Father who is full of mercy and all comfort. He comforts us every time we have trouble. So when others have trouble, we can comfort them with the same comfort God gives us. We share in the many sufferings of Christ. In the same way, much comfort comes to us through Christ. He will wipe away every tears from our eyes, and there will be no more death, sadness, crying, or pain, because all the old ways are gone. Give all your worries to God because He cares about us. I thank God for my sister's life. Thank you. Since we have a great high priest, Jesus, the Son of God, who has gone into heaven, let us hold on to the faith we have. For our high priest is able to understand our weaknesses. When He lived on earth, He was tempted in every way that we are, but He did not sin. Let us then feel very sure that He can come before God's throne where there is grace. There we can receive mercy and grace to help us when we need it. So don't worry because God is with us. Don't be afraid because God is always making us strong, and He will help us. He will support us with His right hand and save us. So I say that we have courage. We really want to be away from this body and be at home with the Lord. Our only goal is to please God, whether we live here or there, because we must all stand before Christ to be judged. Each of us will receive what we should get, good or bad, for the things we did in the earthly body. Mel is always alive in our heart. Thank you.